everyone, good evening to all of you. I hope you all will be fine and fantastic. Today we are continuing our fifth sessions on the roadside. So I am just standing here nearby Lakshmi Nagar red light, and this road is going for the Akshardham. You can see the road of the Akshardham. Just see. So I am just standing just nearby the Akshardham. And today the purpose of the roadside the public is speaking, we will continue on daily basis. If you want to connect with us, please just contact to us. That number, the phone number is of mine, 9654765348. Please carry on. Armin, again I am sure about that. Do you have question for me?
Yes, ma'am. When we trying to speak in English, then we make some mistakes, and people listening and laughing for my English language. And what to do to improve to English speaking fluently?
Okay. First of all, very good. I got the questions that you want to know about it. For the speaking, when you just speak at the time, you do so many mistakes. So the question, first of all, I'm just asking to you question that the question, would you like to continue your English spoken journey or not? Suppose if you are doing so many mistakes, so what do you think, that you should have to stop for learning of English speaking, or will you continue the speaking? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I want to stop my English because
Why? Why do
people
you
like
want to?
laughing me. I am not speaking English better fluency.
Okay, with fluency. Okay, I want to suggest you one thing. I know that I am also not right the person for the suggestion, but if you think that my English is good, in fact my English is also not good. I am telling you truth. I am also doing so many mistakes while speaking, while teaching, while learning, while writing, while reading, while listening. So many mistakes. But the thing is that it is not the way to stop your learning of English or any other language. If you would stop, that it means you are going down always. You are going and down, going and down, going and down. It means you will be zero. But if you will try to consistent, if you will try to do it with consistent, somehow you are not good at speaking today. You are not speaking accordingly correct grammar, but somehow when you will do, or when you will try to so many practice, definitely trust me, you will improve it, and you will be incredible speaker. So if you want to be perfect, if you want to good speaker, if you want to go with that good, if you want to go with that the good fluency, good confidence, good speaking at the according to the grammar, so you need to do it practice. Without practice, if you think that to stop the learning of English, that is not the way working in your life. That this way only and only go down, and of course you will be failed. So if you do not want to fail, you will have to be successful. But how to go that the successful? You will achieve everything. If you want to achieve, then for that things you will have to face so many failure challenges. If you are not doing something good and great today, it is okay. Do it best today. Try to keep efforts with right things, with right journey, with trying to go with continuity. Do not stop your learning of English. Clear it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a great day to you.
Thank you, ma'am.